taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
Mantis Kung Fu, also known as TANG LANG QUAN, is a style of martial arts that imitates the movements and behavior of the praying mantis. It is a unique and intricate system that emphasizes speed, precision, and agility. In recent years, there has been an increase in the popularity of Mantis Kung Fu tutorials due to its practical applications and effectiveness in self-defense. One of the key aspects of Mantis Kung Fu is its focus on close-range combat. Unlike other martial arts styles that rely on striking from a distance, Mantis Kung Fu emphasizes short and quick movements to neutralize opponents. The techniques involve a combination of strikes, joint locks, and grappling, making it suitable for various combat scenarios. Furthermore, the Mantis Kung Fu tutorial highlights the use of the limbs as weapons. Practitioners learn to strike using their elbows, knees, and shins, maximizing the power and effectiveness of each blow. This style also incorporates intricate hand techniques similar to the Mantis' unique forelimbs, enabling practitioners to track and control an opponent's movements. Additionally, the Mantis Kung Fu tutorial emphasizes the importance of footwork. Swift and agile footwork is crucial in this style as it allows practitioners to evade attacks and maintain balance. Learning to move fluidly and efficiently enables practitioners to maintain a dominant position during combat. Overall, Mantis Kung Fu is not just a series of flashy movements but a practical and effective self-defense system. Through the detailed instruction provided in tutorials, practitioners can learn to apply the techniques in real-life situations. The emphasis on close-range combat, limb strikes, intricate hand techniques, and swift footwork all contribute to the practicality and versatility of Mantis Kung Fu for self-defense.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night?